Student, I hope you are well. Okay. Now, student, I want to show something to you. Okay. Do you want to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at the screen. What can you see on the screen? Think about it for 1 minute. Now, I'm going to make it easy. What can you see, Saiful, in the picture?
I see a mother cutting something.
A mother.
Is cutting something.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Roshanara. What
I
is
see mother cutting something and her child helping it.
okay? Very good. Roma.
I think a mother doing and their son and daughter help him.
কিভাবে বুঝবে যে এটা মা? এত ক্লোজ করে তো মা ছাড়া কেউ থাকতে পারবে তাই না? Okay, good, fine, excellent. Now, question. How many people are there in the picture? There are 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Who is the woman? Maybe mother. Maybe mother. Who is the boy? Do you have any idea? Okay. Who is the girl? Mother? Mother's? Daughter. Obviously. Okay. What are they doing? They're cooking. Is there any cooking happening here? Cutting something. Who thinks they are cutting? Fish, vegetables, maybe this type of. Okay? Okay. Okay, please, everyone. Four relatives' name. You have to write down your 4 relatives' name, okay? And after that, you have to write down their activities. তারা কি করে? প্রথমে আগে নিজের আত্মীয়-স্বজনের নাম লেখো, তারপরে ডান পাশে টাইপে দিয়ে কি লেখো, সে কি করে? Come back. Okay, finish. Let's face in front of you. Face back. Okay, now I have to write down the people and their activities. And after that you have to match with people with the activities, okay? Match with their activities. Suppose here is Alvi. Alvi কি করে? Visit করে। Okay, Alviর সাথে visit match করো, back to me. Drawing a line, okay? Hurry up for 2 minutes. Make a group before. And okay, listen. No, you 3 make a group. And you 5 make a group. Come back. You 3, come back. Have you matched? Okay. Go in your previous position. Okay. Now, match with me. Alvi, visit. Have you written?
Yes.
Okay. Who has written Alvi, visit?
Yes.
Raise your hand. Okay, you. Okay. Uncle, catch fish.
Yes.
Who has written this?
Yes.
Have you written this?
Yes.
Have you matched this?
Yes.
Okay, good. Page number 70. 70. Short score. Okay, now everybody read the passage from first to last and find out which word is very difficult to you. You don't know the meaning, you don't know the pronunciation, you don't know the word, okay? Now, and find out and write down our exercise. Which word is very difficult to you? কোন ওয়ার্ডগুলো তোমার কাছে খুবই কঠিন মনে হচ্ছে, উচ্চারণ করতে পারছো না, সেই ওয়ার্ডগুলো অথবা সেটার অর্থ পারো না, সেটা খাতার মধ্যে লেখো। দ্রুত, হারি আপ। প্রত্যেকে হারি আপ। Okay, fine, stop. Okay. Nirima. Which word you have written?
Relatives, house.
relatives
relatives
are
are
E
E
L
L
A
A
T
E
I
I
V
V
E
E
S
S
relatives আত্মীয় স্বজন
Active.
যেমন আত্মীয় স্বজন house H O is house বাড়ি okay in this way I will finish okay so now again open your exercise book okay first two lines from the first two lines you have to write two words only okay you have to write only two words leave Bingo. Okay, who is Bingo? You?
Yes.
Okay, you have best? Okay. We have got the winner. Who is the winner? Stand up. Moshumi is the winner. Okay, sit down please. Now, at page number 70 again. 100%?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, okay. What is about the story? Again, a story as a start you reading. Silent. Okay, silent. And find out the answer. Possible answer of this question. Okay? Very good. Hurry up for 2 minutes. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Ashit,
Yes, sir.
stand up please. And with your exercise book, please come in front of the class. Hurry up. What have you written in the question number 1, question number A? What is about the story?
Tree, sir.
Tree. Tree, huh? Tree. What do you mean by tree? Do you know? Tree? Busy করা না বেড়াতে যাওয়া সবাই মিলে একসাথে ওকে ভেরি গুড বিগ ক্লাস ফর আশিক ওকে আশিক গো ব্যাক টু সিট প্লিজ নাও come Abida please come where did they go for visiting
Maria, please.
কোথায় গিয়েছিল চিলমারি গিয়েছিল আজ কই গিয়েছিল চিলমারি very good big class for okay go back Abida and have you seen okay now close your book you have written what is the stories about and where did Alvi went where did they go for visiting now match the answer with me okay the story is about a tree story টা কি সম্পর্কে ভ্রমণ সম্পর্কে and the second question was where did they go for visiting they went to Chilmari for visiting তার মানে আবিদার কি উত্তর হইছে আসলে
Yes, sir.
okay big class for them now you come back and find your partner and you both of you are there okay now okay every pair have you got your pair
Yes, sir.
okay now open your book at page number 70 you have to find out the answer of this question by reading in pair okay দলে পড়বে একজনে আর আরেকজনে কি করবে প্রশ্নগুলো উত্তর খুঁজে বের করার চেষ্টা করবে and for this you have to finish within 5 minutes okay now time starts okay time up okay now okay now every pair please listen to me pen down please pen down okay pen down okay now you have written by discussing or by reading text okay
Yes, sir.
now let's see Moshumi please come every pair listen to Moshumi what she has written okay Moshumi what have you written for the question number 1 where does Alvi live
Alvi lives in Dhaka.
where does Alvi live does Alvi live in Dhaka
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
have you written Dhaka
Yes, yes.
আবেদা কোথায় তাহলে
Alvi lives Dhaka. Lives in Dhaka.
lives in Dhaka Alvi lives in
Dhaka.
okay she has written Alvi lives in Dhaka it may correct or wrong okay now after that we will find it okay now let's see Nima what have you written who told them story what have you written এই প্রশ্নটা কি লিখছো তুমি যে কে গল্প শোনাতো আলবিদের grandmother
Yes.
Grandmother told the story?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, sit down. And finally, Roshanara, not Rokibul. Stand up, please, and say what is. Now, may I ask your answer with me? My first question was, where does Alvi live? The answer is, Alvi lives in Dhaka. Have you written?
Yes.
We say Karka, we say Shobai হাত তোলো? Okay, good. And the second question was, who told them story? মৌসুমী কি লিখছিল? Grandmother, তাই না? তাহলে their grandmother told them story. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, now the final question was, what is Alvi's uncle? Alvi's uncle. What is Alvi's uncle? Okay. Alvin চাচা কি করে বা কি fisherman, তাই না? Alvi's uncle is a fisherman. Big clap for all of you. Okay, now off your book. Close your book. Now take your pen, please. Take your pen. Take your pen. Everybody take your pen and draw a smiley face front side of your house. Okay? Hand. And hurry up, hurry up. Draw a smiley face. Happy? Yeah, fine. Have you drawn? Okay, good. You have drawn. Nice one. And draw a sad face back on your left hand, okay? বাম হাতে এখানে একটা কি আঁকো? বেজার করা মুখ। Is it? Is it? Unhappy. Okay, good. Very good. সুন্দর হয়েছে মৌসুমী। Okay, fine. Very good. Oh, what a nice. Okay, now I have a question for you. Look at the screen. All of you, have you drawn a happy face on your hand?
Yes.
Show me, show me, show me. Okay, and sad face. Show me. Okay. Now you have to show me the happy face if the sentence is true. If the sentence is false, you have to show me the sad face. Okay? যদি সত্য হয় তাহলে কি দেখাতে হবে? আর মিথ্যে হলে আমাকে বলতে হবে এটা ট্রু না সত্য মুখে বলা যাবে? No, okay? Don't say. Just show me sad face or happy face. Okay? Visit their grandfather. False. Correct? How they went to visit their grandfather? বাবা দাদা কি দেখতে গেছিল? দাদা কি দেখতে গেছিল? কোথায় গেছিল?
To
Huh?
visit their grandmother. His
Grandmother house has same.
যেই গ্র্যান্ডফাদার থাকে কিন্তু গ্র্যান্ডমাদারও থাকে তাই না একজনেরই তো বাড়ি ওকে নাও ওকে নেক্সট কোশ্চেন দেয়ার হাউস ইজ নিয়ার দ্য যমুনা রিভার show me sad or happy face yes okay now the third question Alvi's favorite fish is hilsa sad why sad is false okay now it was a very okay, fine, very good, excellent. And the final one, hurry up. Exercise book, not your textbook, only exercise book. Only textbook, sorry, exercise book. Okay, now we have to fill in the gaps with the word, correct word. There are many words here.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And gap, you have to fill the gap with this word, okay? Hurry up. Start. Hurry up. Sir, with the next one. Next one. Match your answer. With the next one, okay? Amida. Match with her. Hurry up. I think you have finished. Go back to your previous position. Go to your previous position. Amida, please. Now, okay. Now, open your book again. Page number 70. Page number 70. Okay. Look at this. Sir, by reading but silently, okay? You have to read silently and you have to find out this question, this answer, okay? And you will get only 5 minutes for this. Hurry up. Now let's see. Nima, where did Alvi go? What have you written? Go? Where did Alvi go? Chilmari. Okay, sit down. Let's see. Ashir. Where did he go there? He could say
So much fun.
so much fun. Okay, good, excellent. Now, Roshanara. Where does Alvi live?
Alvi lives in Dhaka.
Lives in Dhaka. Good. Sit down, please. Now, all of you, close your book. Close your book and exercise khata, okay? And open your exercise khata. Okay, now look at the screen. There are 5 questions here. Alvi গেছিল কোথায়? চিলমারি গেছিল। মনে করো তুমি এরকম কোথাও গেছিলে। ঠিক আছে? এখন now answer this question. Why did you go for a trip? How did you go there? Who was with you? What did you do going there? Did you have any special in your trip? এই যে তোমার ট্রিপে কোনো স্পেশাল কিছু ছিল কিনা, তুমি কার সাথে গেছিলে, তুমি সেখানে যে কি করছিলে, কিভাবে গেছিলে, কোথায় গেছিলে, এই সম্পর্কে লেখো। Hurry up. You have to finish it within 5 minutes. Okay? Hurry up. Now, Rokibul, come in front of the class. Now, everybody, bend down, please bend down. Now, we are going to listen about Rokib's trip, okay? Rokib, what have you written according to this question?
I want to Coxbazar.
Rokib went to? Where is it, Rokib? Okay, now, how did you go there?
We went there by bus.
বাসে গেছিল। Okay, খুব মজা হয়েছে তো নিশ্চয়। Who was with you?
I went there with my family.
Okay, ফ্যামিলির সাথে গেছিল। তারপরে what did you do going there? সেখানে যে তুমি কি করছিলে?
We had very fun there.
গোসল করা গেছিলে সমুদ্রে। Okay, good. You had a lot of writing. Okay, now I'm going to finish my class, okay? Next time we'll have a lot of fun, okay? Till then, Allah Hafiz.